With a Coop, SSE chicks, and a long-term plan of action, a backyard flock brings families fresh, wholesome eggs and the enjoyment of watching a baby chick grow into an egg-laying hen. The first step in establishing a backyard flock is creating a plan. We can gain a lot from a backyard flock. Chickens can produce truly fresh eggs and flavorful, healthy meat. And we're able to enjoy watching birds from our back porch and teaching our children responsibilities and how animals grow. Before buying new chicks this spring, here are 6 tips on how to start raising chickens. 1. Select the breed that's right for you. Poultry breeds come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Families looking to produce eggs or meat are encouraged to start with common breeds of chickens. Determine what you'd like to gain from your flock. If you want fresh eggs, consider white leghorn hybrids, white eggs, Plymouth Barred Rocks, brown eggs, Rhode Island Reds, brown eggs, blue Andalusians, white eggs, or Ameraucanas/Easter eggers, blue eggs. Cornish cross chickens grow quickly and are best suited for meat production. If you're hoping to produce both eggs and meat, consider dual-purposed breeds like Plymouth Barred Rock, Sussex, or Buff Orpingtons. Exotic breeds are best for show or pets. 2. Determine the number of birds you'd like. The number and gender of birds in your flock may be determined by local ordinances and your flock goals. Remember that young chicks grow into full-grown birds. Create a budget for the time you are able to spend with your flock, the housing the birds will require, a plan for how you'll collect and use eggs, and what you'll do with the birds after they retire from laying eggs. Then start small with a flock of 4 to 6 chicks. 3. Research a reputable chick supplier. Purchase chicks from a credible U.S. Palorum typhoid clean hatchery. To prevent potential disease problems, ensure the hatchery vaccinated chicks for Marek's disease and coccidiosis. 3. Research a reputable chick supplier. Purchase chicks from a credible U.S. Palorum typhoid clean hatchery. To prevent potential disease problems, ensure the hatchery vaccinated chicks for Marek's disease and coccidiosis. Many local Purina retailers have chicks available for sale in store during Purina Flock Talk events. Check with your local retailer on breeds, timing and availability. 4. Prepare your brooder. Keep baby chicks in a warm, draft-free shelter, called a brooder. The brooder should be completely enclosed with a bottom surface that can be covered with bedding, and have a heating lamp. Avoid square corners in the brooding area to prevent chicks from being trapped in the corner should the birds huddle in one area. Each chick needs at least 2 to 3 square feet of floor space for the first 6 weeks. Set the brooder temperature to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for the first week and then gradually reduce heat by 5 degrees Fahrenheit each week until reaching a minimum of 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to have a spacious, clean coop ready for the chicks once the supplemental heat source is no longer required. Through all stages, always provide plenty of fresh clean water that is changed daily. 5. Focus on sanitation. Before new chicks arrive, and throughout the growing process, be sure to keep their environment clean. Young chicks are susceptible to early health risks, so disinfect all materials prior to use and then weekly. The correct household disinfectants can work well. Make sure to read the directions to ensure your disinfectant is safe to use and doesn't leave a residual film. A mixture of 10% bleach and 90% water can work well, if the cleaner is rinsed thoroughly following cleaning. 6. Create a long-term nutrition plan. Strong chicks equal healthy hens. For long-term success, follow our Flock Strong feeding program. Under this program, you will simply need 1 complete starter grower feed for day 1 through first egg, and 1 complete layer feed for when hens start laying around week 18. Start chicks strong with a complete starter grower feed. Chicks require 38 unique nutrients from day 1. To provide all of these nutrients, choose a complete starter grower feed that includes Chick Strong system. For chicks who will later lay eggs, select a feed that has 18% protein, like Purina Start and Grow or Purina Organic Starter Grower. For meat birds and mixed flocks, choose a complete feed with 20% protein, like Purina Flock Razor Crumbles. Transition layer chicks onto a higher calcium complete feed, like Purina Leana Plus Omega 3 or Purina Organic Layer Feed when they begin laying eggs at age 18 to 20 weeks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like this video if you do, and if you are free to drop your questions.